Let's get to the final trade of the day with Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy. Mike, what do you have for us today?
I'm looking at Didi. That is lack of a better term, the Uber of China. DIDI, they've been recently listed with their IPO. This is a stock that I wouldn't touch with a 10-foot pole with anything that I was going to hold for more than an hour. We've seen the Chinese government come in with a bunch of these. It started kind of with Baba. We've seen them come in and essentially show them who's boss, saying, hey, listen, don't get too big for your britches. We are the Chinese government. We control things. And this is what happened after Didi went through its IPO. Then China came and said, hey, listen, you didn't go through the proper protocols with our cybersecurity, whatever the reason. But what we do have is a relatively low priced, I think it's trading between 12 and a half and 13 bucks right now, and extremely good, robust option markets. So this is a great day trading stock for the retail trader, relatively low premiums. You can control your risk very, very well with options. So for example, the 1270 on a day trading chart looks 12.7, looks like a really nice consolidating area. You can set a buy order for an at-the-money call, depending on how long in time you want to go out. Control your risk with a stop order. You're going to have a very, very, maybe a nickel wide market. So you're not going to get slipped too bad on any sort of stop out. But I would be playing this to the upside for sure, at least right now.
Mike, what do you think about the overall condition of the stock market?
I don't want to say as usual, but as the market sifts through what Chairman Powell said yesterday, we do have to take that into consideration, that there is the looming specter of the Fed that is putting at least a cap on things, or the worries of it. So the stock market wants to go up if things stay the way they are. If the Fed were to signal in any sort of way that it's going to become more aggressive by stopping their purchases or even raising interest rates, that is going to take things down a bit. If they do take things down a bit, do not panic. That's when you get out your so-called wish list of stocks that were too expensive for you to buy before, but guess what? They're going to be on sale if that sort of thing happens. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but that would be my game plan going forward.
Great trader talk as always, Mike. Thanks so much for being here.
Hey, thanks as always.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.